Customizing AutoCAD productivity with custom keyboard shortcuts in a KBS file. These speed up command access for CAD professionals. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these AutoCAD keyboard shortcut files. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn KBS files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. A user searching for this file is likely trying to import, export, or customize their keyboard shortcuts within Autodesk AutoCAD. This file stores personalized command aliases and accelerator keys, enabling professionals to transfer their unique workflow settings between different computers or software installations, ensuring a consistent and efficient user experience. The KBS file is typically a plain text or XML-based format, designed for human readability and straightforward parsing by the AutoCAD application. This simple key value structure allows the software to quickly map keyboard combinations to specific commands and enables power users to manually edit the file in a text editor if needed. For comprehensive file management, KBS relies on AutoCAD developed by Autodesk Inc. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows may show the settings clearly, but editing requires familiarity with the software's requirements. The first action is to test the system's defined programs. Right-click the KBS file and click Open With. Test AutoCAD if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to find the specific library that works. If you still cannot open your KBS file, that is okay. The stubbornness of this KBS file requires decisive action. Run these specific tests right now to determine the exact failure point. First, importing in AutoCAD. Launch AutoCAD and access the Customized User Interface CUI editor by typing CUI at the command line. Use the import function to load the KBS file containing custom keyboard shortcuts. The shortcuts integrate into your AutoCAD configuration, becoming available immediately for invoking commands through the customized key combinations defined in the file. Next, editing in text editor. KBS files often contain plain text and open in any text editor, including Notepad++, VS Code, or Sublime Text. View and edit shortcut mappings directly modifying key combinations or commands. Save changes maintaining the file format, then re-import into AutoCAD to apply updated shortcuts. This approach is faster than using the CUI editor for bulk modifications. Finally, backing up customization. Backup. KBS files, along with other AutoCAD customization, including CUI files, menu definitions, and tool palettes. Store copies on network drives or cloud storage for protection against system failures. When migrating to new computers or AutoCAD versions, import the backed up KBS files to restore your personalized keyboard shortcut configuration quickly. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.